Hello everyone, welcome to Aman Babu tutorials, complete solution for your study. Today in this video we are going to write and learn 10-line essay on winter season. Number 1. The winter season is cold. Number 2. It usually lasts from December to February. Number 3. People often wear warm clothes like sweater, jacket and a scarf. Number 4. In winter, the days are shorter and the nights are longer. Number 5. During winter, temperatures are very low. Number 6. People like to drink hot tea and soup in winter. Number 7. People often gather around fireplaces or heaters to stay warm. Number 8. In winter, there are snowfalls in some places. Number 9. Tree leaves fall down in winter. Number 10. Winter is a season for cozy moments and spending time with loved ones. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.